Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, before we stand for Salah, we must be pure. Today let's learn how to perform Wudu exactly as the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught. Firstly, we start with intention, which is Niyyah. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, actions are bought by intention, and every man will have only what he intended. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 1, Sahih Muslim Hadith 1907. Then secondly, saying Bismillah. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, there is no wudu for the one who does not mention Allah's name over it. Sunnah Abu Dawud Hadith 101, Ibn Majah Hadith 399. Hasan. You have to say Bismillah before starting ablution. Thirdly, washing the hands. Narrated by Humran radiallahu anhu, Usman ibn Affan radiallahu anhu called for water to perform wudu. He washed his hand 3 times. Sahih Muslim, Hadith 226. Washing your hands up to your wrists 3 times. To perform ablution, the third step is for you to wash your hand to your wrist 3 times. Then fourthly, rinsing your mouth and nose. Ibn Abbas radiallahu anhu reported, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam rinsed his mouth and nose from a single hand of full with water. Sunan Abu Dawud Hadith 140, Tirmidhi Hadith 28. Rinse your mouth 3 times, then nose 3 times. Then the next step is what? Washing the face. Usman radiallahu anhu described the wudu of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He then washed his face 3 times. Sahih Muslim Hadith 226. Thus this step, you wash your face from the forehead to your chin to ear to ear. You wash your face 3 times. The next steps after washing your face is washing your arms. Usman radiallahu anhu continued by saying, then he washed his right arm to his elbow and also his left hand to his elbow 3 times each. Sahih Muslim Hadith 226. So you wash your right hand to your elbow and also your left hand to your elbow 3 times each. And the next step is wiping the head. Abdullah ibn Zayyad radiallahu anhu said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam wiped over his head with his hand, moving from the front to the back and back to the front. Sahih Bukhari Hadith 185, Sahih Muslim Hadith 235. And in another narration, he wiped his ears with the same water as the head. Sunan Abu Dawud Hadith 135. So this step here, you wipe your head and also use the same water to wipe your ears. Then the next step is washing your feet. Usman radiallahu anhu continued by saying, then he washed his right foot to the ankle and the left foot to the ankle also. Sahih Muslim Hadith 226. So here you wash your feet to your ankle, that's your right feet to your ankle and also your left feet to your ankle. Then the last step after washing the feet is dua. The last step after performing wudu, after washing your feet, is the dua after wudu. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever performs wudu and says Ashhadu Allah ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh, the 8 gates of paradise will be opened for him and he may enter through whichever of them he wishes. Sahih Muslim Hadith 234. So whenever you finish performing wudu, you say this dua after the wudu. This is the perfect wudu as taught by our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Don't miss the next video where we'll begin with the Salah step by step. Subscribe now and join us following the Sunnah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.